This multiple network airdrop. They raised $2 million, and OKX Venture is the investor of this company. So how do you participate in this airdrop? I will definitely talk about it. Okay, so this airdrop is to doing just required 6 minutes, and it's confirmed. Okay, they will give you something to you. And how do you participate, and everything is like Crash, NotePay, Down, OCC, and many other projects have similar activity. Okay, so first follow the link and go through it, and this page would be look like this. Simply click the connect wallet, choose your MetaMask, then confirm. This site is slightly buggy. It will take time to connect your wallet, so keep trying until it is connected. Okay, then what you need to do, nothing need, you need to just connect your wallet, connect your email address, edit your preferred name, and verification code generated and successfully login, and just being login, and that's it. Nothing need to do, nothing you need to worry about it. Okay, just being login, and that's it. Okay, this is the task of this airdrop. Okay.